Benefits of cranberry fruit for weight loss. Does cranberry lose weight? The low caloric intake of cranberry makes it a very interesting fruit for people who follow a slimming program. It contains only 46 kilocalories per 100 grams. It does not grow even when consumed at will. But does dried cranberry make you fat? Well, it is necessary to mention the important caloric intake of dried cranberry. The drying of this fruit increases the quantity of sugar, and it is then necessary to control the frequency and the quantity of consumption. An overconsumption of dried cranberry that can make you fat. Rich in proanthocyanidins, cranberry is the antioxidant par excellence. Other fruits have this advantage, but the antioxidant capacity of cranberry is more considerable. It is a source of vitamins for the body and helps to lose weight. This magic berry is an effective way to fight age-related disorders by preserving young cells. It reduces cardiovascular risks, limits kidney stones, inflammation of the gums, and prevents urinary infections and other everyday disorders. It will be understood that it is a condensed vitamin good for the body and to slim down. Finally, does this fruit make you fat? It will be understood, the cranberry fresh is a fruit perfectly adapted to lose weight. We often hear, "I do not want to eat very sweet fruit so as not to get fat." Cranberry is the ideal solution to consume a good fruit for health and low caloric.